In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Woocommerce My Account page in just 5 minutes. If you're running an e-commerce site using Woocommerce, customizing the My Account page can significantly enhance your customer's experience. It's an essential aspect of your site where users can view their recent orders, manage shipping and billing addresses, and edit their password and account details. So let's dive right in and learn how to make these crucial edits. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the nerve center of your website, where you manage everything from posts and pages to users and settings. To get there, you simply need to add /wp admin to your website's URL. Once you've logged in, you're going to see a wide range of options on your dashboard, but for now, we're focusing solely on the Pages section. Next, within your dashboard, locate the Pages option on the left-hand side. WordPress organizes all the content on your site into posts and pages. For WooCommerce, the My Account page is automatically generated as a page. So this is where we need to go to start making our edits. Clicking on Pages will bring up a list of all the pages on your site. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll need to find the specific page titled My Account or something similar, depending on how your site is set up. It could be under a custom name if you or someone else has previously edited it. When you find the right page, hover your mouse over the title. You'll see several options appear underneath, including Edit. Click on this Edit link to open the page editor. This is where you can make all sorts of changes to how the page appears and functions. Within the page editor, you can add text, insert images, and even use shortcodes to customize the My Account page further. For example, WooCommerce provides various shortcodes that can be used to add specific functionality or information directly onto a page. These shortcodes can display things like order tracking forms, user information, and password change forms, to name a few. As you make your edits, you might want to preview your page to ensure everything looks as you intend. You can do this by clicking the Preview button, typically found near the top of the page. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to save your changes. To save your edits, click the Update button, which should also be near the top of the page. This will apply all your changes to the live version of your My Account page. Remember, it's crucial to periodically save your work, especially if you're making substantial changes. This practice helps avoid losing your progress in case of any unexpected issues. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to editing the WooCommerce My Account page. Customizing this page allows you to better serve your customers by providing them with a more personalized and efficient experience on your site. Whether it's simply changing the text, updating the layout, or adding new functionalities with shortcodes, these small adjustments can make a significant impact. Remember, keeping your website user-friendly is vital in maintaining and growing your online presence. By customizing the My Account page, you're taking an essential step in creating a more engaging and convenient environment for your users. Always test your changes across different devices to ensure your edits look perfect everywhere. And most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment. With WordPress and WooCommerce, you have the flexibility to adjust and refine your site to perfectly match your vision. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to edit the WooCommerce My Account page. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more helpful guides to empower you in managing and enhancing your e-commerce site. Good luck with your edits, and here's to creating a fantastic user experience for your customers.